friends, in today's video we are going to see how to rotate a linked list by AND node, and we are going to see counterclockwise rotation, that is left shift. So first of all, as you can see here, this is the definition of node of a linked list. It is having two part data which is of integer type and a link pointer, and this is the original linked list, okay, and this is the shifted linked list. And how many shifts we have given to this particular linked list to form this one? We have given it a 2 node shift. If you may notice, node 3 is, that is this particular node is third node here, and in this linked list node 3 is first node. Similarly, node 4 is fourth node here and node 4 is second node here. And if you will watch these two linked lists carefully, then you will notice some difference, only some difference, and that some difference will be of link part of the node. And if you will watch carefully, then what are the pointer changes we are making here? See, I am updating node 5 link part to node 1. Node 5 link part. See, if I want to give it a shift of 2 node, that means third node will become the first node. So head should be pointing to third node, and then second node will become last node, as this one node 1 will be after fifth node, okay, and second node will become the last node. So second node link pointer should point to some null location, and node 5 link part should point to node 1, and this is the changes here. That is, see, node 5 link part is pointing to node 1, node 2 link part is pointing to some null location, and head is pointing to node 3. And how I am going to do it? See, this is also example of 2 pointers. So I am going to use 2 pointer to do this particular thing for us, and those 2 pointers will be a reference pointer and one pointer will be current pointer. This pointer I am going to use for traversal. You may be thinking, then why I need reference pointer? See, there are 2 nodes which I am updating here, and one node is node 2 and second node is node 5. So when the traversal is done, current will point to node 2 and reference should point to current will point to node 5 and reference will point to node 2. And suppose I want to give it a shift of 3 node, then reference will point to node 3. Okay? And suppose if I want to give it a rotation of 4 node, reference will point to node 4 and current will point to last node. Okay, current will point to last node. Now let's understand it through code. See, this is my function rotate. Rotate will take one parameter, and that is of integer type. Basically it will say how many shifts I want to give. Suppose I will give a call to rotate 2, then what it will do? It will create 2 pointer, current and reference. So as you can see here, I am updating current to head, and what is head? 100. After that I am creating one more pointer which is reference. Suppose this is my reference pointer. Right now it is null. After that I am creating a shift variable and initializing it with 0. Suppose this is my shift variable. Right now it is 0, and this is my while loop. Basically this while loop I am going to use for traversal. So first of all, it is checking whether current dot link. See, right now current is 100, and what is current dot link? Current dot link is 200. So basically current is not null. So I will execute these 3 lines. And what I am doing in these 3 lines? First of all, I am incrementing shift. So shift will become 1. Then I will do a if condition check. If shift is equal to 1, What is shift? Shift is 1 and n is equal to 2, as I want to give it a rotation of 2 node. Is shift and n equal? No. So this condition will be false, this line will not execute and current will be shifted. So current will become current dot link. Right now current is 100 and its link part is 200. So current will become 200, it will start to point to node 2. And again this while condition will be checked. Current dot link is 200. Sorry, current is 200 now. So current dot link is 300. So current dot link is not null. I am again going to execute these 3 lines. So first of all, shift will be incremented by 1. It will become 2 and again this condition check will be done. Shift is equal to 1. Shift is 2 and is 2. So I am going to update reference. And what is I am updating reference with current. And what is current? Current is 200. So reference will be 200 and it will start to point to node 2. And again I will update the current pointer. Current is equal to current dot link. Current is 200 and current dot link is link part of node 2, that is 300. So I will update it to 300, which means current will start to point to node 3. Okay. Again this while check will be done. Current dot link. Current is 300, so current dot link is 400. So this is not null. So again I am going to increment shift. So shift will be 3. This if condition will be checked, it will be false and again current will be shifted. So current will start to point to node 4. It will be 400. Again it will be checked. Current dot link. Current dot link, what is current dot link? 500, so not null. Shift will be incremented by 1. Okay. This if condition will be checked. Shift is 4, n is equal to 2. So condition false, not this line will not execute. Current will be shifted once more. Again this while condition will be checked. See, while current dot link, current is 500, its link part is null. So this condition will be false now. These 3 lines will not execute and basically we will come out of this while loop. And I am going to execute these 3 lines. See, right now current is pointing to last node and reference pointer is pointing to node 2. So let's break this link for now. This thing and this thing, let's break it. So what I am doing here, current dot link equal to head. What is current? 500. Okay, so its link part is right on null and I am updating it with head and head is how much? 100. Okay, this is my original link list. So I am updating current dot link with 100. So here you can see a null. So when I will update it, it will become 100 and will start to point to node 1. And node 2 is pointing to node 3. See in this particular link list. Okay. Now what I am doing is I am updating head. And what is head? Head is equal to reference dot link. Reference point is pointing to second node. And what is the link part? Link part is 300. So I will update head to 300 and it will start to point to node 3. Okay, and what I am doing last time? Reference dot link equal to null. See, once these all things will be done, that is node 5 will start to node 1, point to node 1 and head will start to point to node 3. I will have to make link part of this particular node to point to some null location. Otherwise, it will point to node 3 and it will form a loop. Okay, so what I will do? I will make this link part of node 2 null so that this link will be broken and a loop will be deleted. So as you can see here, this is the program for rotating a linked list by n node, that is left rotation. And this is all I have for this particular video. And if you have liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching.